The problem with flood insurance. That's what we're discussing today. We've talked a little bit about this in the past. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about basements though. So stay tuned. So the problem with flood insurance is basements. Basements are very limited. We hear from people every day who have finished their basements. They have water intrusion. Trying to get those things replaced can be really hard. And one thing is you've got things like wallpaper, carpet, similar finishings that are not covered under building coverage. However, you've also got things on the contents coverage that are not covered. Portable ACs and window unit ACs are going to be covered under contents. You got things like washers and dryers, food and freezers. That's about the limit in a lot of situations when it comes to coverages in basements. And that's the problem with flood insurance, especially as what we've seen in New York, where a lot of people didn't even realize that their coverage was not going to cover them in basements. So if you've got questions about really understanding how to solve the problem with flood insurance and basement coverage, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we've got an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term.